Hello and welcome to the Installing AccuSQL 2019 video. Today we're going to go over what you'll receive and how that will be installed using the either USB key that you received as a new customer or the digital download that you might have received if you upgraded your account. If you use the upgrade option, you're going to get a zip file which you're going to extract, and it's going to go ahead and look like something like this. And if you have a USB key, it should be pretty similar file structure, just on a USB drive. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and double click on the AccuSQL exe. Once that loads, you'll notice that we have all of our how-to videos linked here, as well as our reference manuals where you can check out quick start guides and all the helpful guides that we have out there, including the full reports and reference manuals. We also have a question and answer section for knowledge base with frequently asked questions that you might have regarding the software. And once you've checked those out, you can go here to this installation link, and you can see all the products that you get with your AccuSQL 2019 subscription. If you have an old license, you may not have access to all of these, but it will take you to information regarding that software that you don't have. So for the main product, we're going to go ahead and click on the install up here, and it's going to just take a second here to extract its contents, and we'll get started with the install. Just hit next a few times, then you'll get to your software license agreement. Go ahead and read over that quickly and hit accept terms. At this point, it's just going to ask for your name and your organization's name. And once you have that filled out, you're just going to install that for all users. I would leave the default install path, hit next, and finally just click install. You're going to get a Windows security prompt just verifying the publisher. Go ahead and just say yes. It's going to take a few moments to update the components on your computer and install AccuSQL. And it looks like it's getting there. We have the shortcut on the desktop. So finally, we can just go ahead and leave that checked to launch the program and click finish. First time that you open the software, it's going to ask you for a license key if you have that. Now if you got the USB key from us, there's going to be a key.txt file in there, and for that you'll just open that and copy that key. And if you got the digital download from us, you should have received that key also along with that email. Okay, so I'm just going to say yes, and at the prompt enter or copy in my software key. Okay, once I've entered in that key, it's going to go ahead and open up AccuSQL 2019 for the first time. We're going to close out of that. A little tip of the day. And here we're actually connected to the tutoring sample database. So I'm going to go ahead and just simply log in with the default credentials of 9 ones for the user ID and the password of all capital letters new. Okay, it's going to warn me to change the default login credentials, but that's okay. We're actually connected just to our sample database. So if we take a look at our students in the users section, we can see that these are all the sample students. Now if I have a database that I want to connect to, right now you can see I'm not connected to a SQL Server database, so I would want to click database and database location. Make sure that I choose SQL Server, hit next. And in here, I'm going to go ahead and add all my login credentials for that database location. If you have any questions or concerns about this, Say you're not able to test the connection and make a connection, you could always call us in support or email us support@accutrack.org, and we'll be able to help you with getting this set up. One other thing to note is you will need the SQL native client driver installed on this computer, and we actually do provide those in the installation folder on your computer. Okay, well, I guess that's it. If you were to set this up, you would just go ahead and save those connections, close out of here, exit, and restart. And when you reopen it, it will be connected to your AccuSQL database. We'll have some more videos on other things like upgrading the database to 2019 and a few more for AccuSQL. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.